Hello to all students. Today we are starting another biology chapter is embryonic development in humans. Once again, students, we are starting another biology chapter is embryonic development in humans. Some topics include in this chapter. First is topics. First is embryogenesis. Second, cleavage. Morula. Next, blastula, gastrula, neurula, and some other specific points. First of all, I started first topic, embryogenesis. It means embryo. It means to formation. So, formation of embryo. It is a simple means of embryogenesis. Once again, first of all, first topic is embryogenesis. It means embryo. It means to formation. So, formation of embryo, it is a simple means of embryogenesis. Second is definition of embryogenesis. Students, remember in previous chapter or previous video, fertilization, we forms zygote. It is a single diploid cells but forms fusion of male and female gamete. Zygote convert into embryo. This process or which process is called embryogenesis. By the cell division and by the cell differentiation. Once again, zygote, it is a single diploid cells but forms by the fusion of male and female gamete. During development, zygote convert into embryo by the process of cell division, by the process of cell differentiation, which is called embryogenesis. So, definition of embryogenesis is formation of embryo from zygote by the process of cell division and cell differentiation, which is called embryogenesis. So, definition is formation of embryo from zygote by the process of cell division and cell differentiation, which is called embryogenesis. Formation of embryo from zygote, formation of embryo from zygote, which by the process of cell division, cell differentiation, which is called embryogenesis. Next, second, I draw a flow chart of embryonic development of humans. First, in previous video, all of you studied in topic fertilization. First, male human. Second, in female humans. Primary reproductive organ in male human is testis, in female human is ovary. Spermatogenesis initiate in testis part, oogenesis complete in ovary part of female humans. Oogenesis initiate in embryonic stage, but spermatogenesis initiate in puberty age due to hormone effect. Once again, male humans, female humans, primary reproductive in male humans, primary reproductive organ in female humans. Next, during puberty to initiate spermatogenesis and to initiate oogenesis in female ovary part, but spermatogenesis initiate in male testis part. So formation of sperm or mature male gamete by the process of spermatogenesis, in oogenesis formation of mature ovum or mature female gamete. If fused in favorable condition and forms a specific single diploid cells, which process is called fertilization. It means fusion of male and female gamete. Next process is embryonic development. So humans embryonic development initiate in zygote. First process initiate in zygote is cleavage as like a mitosis, and zygote divided in two blastomeres or two cleavage cells. They are called blastomeres, but single is blastomere. 1, 2, it means two cell stage. Again, complete cleavage. So two blastomere convert into 4 blastomere or 4 cleavage cell. So it is called 4 cell stage. Next, again complete cleavage. So forms 8 cell or blastomeres. So this phase is called 8 cell stage. This structure is called blastomere. Again 8 cell stage to show cleavage and forms 16 cell stage or 16 cell blastomeres. It is 16 cell stage. This stage is a solid ball like structures, so it is called morula. Formation of morula from 8 cell stage, which process is called morulation. ATIUN, it means process, it means developing phase. Once again, 16 cell stage or 16 cell blastomeres in embryonic stage is called morula. Formation of morula from 8 cell stage by the process of cleavage This complete process is called morulation. Next, this is zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. This complete process, it means zygote to morula are forms in oviduct part or fallopian tube part, because fertilization complete in oviduct part or fallopian tube part. So cleavage is initiate in oviduct part. Once again, zygote to morula are formed in oviduct part because fertilization completed in oviduct part or oviduct ampulla part, and so cleavage is completed in oviduct part or fallopian tube part. Next, morula fall down in uterus. So uterine fluid enter in solid ball like structures, morula. Once again, morula fall down in uterus, and uterus to have uterine fluid. Uterine fluid enter in solid ball like structures. First dissolve zona pellucida and enter in morula. Once again, morula fall down in uterus. Uterus to have uterine fluids. These uterine fluid to dissolve zona pellucida and enter in morula developing embryonic stage. Next, so outer blastomeres become a plate like structures. This is plate like structures, is called trophoblast. Once again, trophoblast. Outer or peripheral blastomere become a plate like layer. It is called trophoblast. Trophoblast is a single layered but multicellular structures. Once again, trophoblast is single layered but multicellular structures. These structures to provide or to help provide in nutrition to developing embryo. Only help. This embryonic stage is called blastula, but human blastula or mammal's blastula is called blastocyst. Blastocyst is a types of blastula, but mammal's blastula name or human's blastula name is blastocyst. Once again, blastocyst is a types of blastula or mammal's blastula name or human blastula. Central blastomere are located any pole part. This is trophoblast. Uterine fluid enter in different sides. So finally, central blastomere are located in any single pole. So it is called ICM. It is called trophoblast. This cavity is blastocele. This complete mature structure is blastula. Formation of blastula by the process of blastulation. Once again, formation of blastula from morula by the process, or which is the process is called blastulation. Once again, formation of blastula from morula, which process is called blastulation. Trophoblast, it is a single layered and multicellular. ICM, it is a group of cell but located in blastula. Blastocele, it is a cavity of blastula, but location of blastula is between ICM and trophoblast. Once again, blastocele, it is a cavity of blastula, but location of blastula is between ICM and trophoblast. ICM, this is trophoblast. Next, ICM, it is a group of cell but located in blastocyst or blastula. Trophoblast, it is single layered but multicellular. Next stage is gastrula. Next embryonic stage is gastrula. This is figure of gastrula. By the process of gastrulation, this is cavity of gastrula is archenteron. A pore-like structures in gastrula is blastopore. All of you study in 11th class protostomes and deuterostomes. So formation of anus part, formation of mouth part from blastopore from blastopore in the basis of classification. Yeah, in the chapter basis of or base of classification. Once again, gastrulation, formation of gastrula from blastula, which process is called gastrulation. In gastrulation, embryonic stage, formation of 3 germ layer. Outer is ectodrum. Ectodrum 2 forms organs like skin. Next, innermost germ layer is endodrum. It forms organs like respiratory system and respiratory organs. But after formation between ectodrum and endodrum is mesodrum. It forms organs. So next phase is neurula. Formation of neurula is neurulation. This is a complete flow chart of developing phase in human's embryonic stage. Once again, first is zygote, forms to then fusion of male and female gamete, which process is called fertilization. This process completed in oviduct part ampulla. Next process, cleavage, initiate in fallopian or oviduct part of zygote. So zygote divided in 2 blastomeres. This stage is called 2-cell stage. Again completed cleavage, 2 blastomere convert in 4 blastomere. This stage is called 4-cell stage. Again completed cleavage, so formation of 8 blastomere. So this stage is called 8-cell stage. 8-cell stage. Again completed cleavage, so formation of 16-cell stage. It is a solid ball-like structures. This embryonic development phase is morula. Formation of morula, which process is called morulation. So in this developing phase or embryonic phase, formation of zona pellucida. Complete these phases are forms in oviduct part, but after formation of morula fall down on uterus. In uterus to have uterine fluid to dissolve zona pellucida. First of all, dissolve zona pellucida by uterine fluid. So uterine fluid enter. When enter uterine fluid, so outer or peripheral blastomere convert a plate-like structures. A plate-like structures is a single and multicellular. It is called trophoblast. But center or middle blastomeres become attached any part of blastula or any part of embryo, so it is called ICM. So formation of a specific cavity in next developing stage in blastula, this cavity is called blastocele. Next, blastocele is a cavity, but location of blastocele is ICM, between ICM or trophoblast. So this developing phase is blastula. So morula developing, next another developing phase is blastula. Formation of blastula is called blastulation. So definition of blastulation is formation of blastula from morula, which process is called blastulation. Second, human or mammals blastula is blastocyst. Blastocyst implant in uterus. Students remember, female human uterus to have three layers. Innermost layer is endometrium, middle layer is myometrium, and outermost layer is perimetrium. During development or during embryonic development, after fertilization 7 to 8 days, blastocyst implant endometrium of uterus. This is endometrium. Endometrium is a layer of uterus. So blastocyst implant in uterus layer endometrium. So blastocyst, first of all, it is a mammal blastula, it is a human blastula. Second, it is a implant phase of humans, it is a implant phase of mammals, but implantation in uterus endometrium layer. Second developing phase is gastrula. So definition of gastrula is formation of three germ layer, ectodrome, endodrome and mesodrome. So this embryonic stage is called gastrula. Complete process formation of gastrula is non-gastrulation. So definition of gastrulation is formation of gastrula from blastula, which process is called gastrulation. In gastrula embryonic developing stage, formation a specific pore, it is called blastopore. In 11th class, all of you study chapter base of classification. Base is protostomes and deuterostomes. In protostomes, in deuterostomes, these bases are related to formation of humans or mammals mouth and anus part. So formation of mouth and anus in protostomes, in deuterostomes by blastopore. So it is a pore like structures. Yeah, it is a pore but forms in gastrula stage, but cavity of gastrula is archenteron. So students, this is a complete flow chart of embryonic development stage only, like zygote, morula, blastula, gastrula, neurula. So next topic is cleavage. First is embryogenesis, second is flow chart of embryonic stage. The next is definition of cleavage. The next cleavage, it is also known segmentation, or another name of cleavage is segmentation. It involves early repeated mitotic divisions in the zygote. It means cleavage initiate in zygote, but location of initiation of cleavage is fallopian tube or oviduct. Cleavage is as like a mitotic stage, but in initiation or early stage. Another name is segmentation. Second is morula. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomere or cleavage cells is called morula. Students, remember, morula is a solid ball like embryonic stage, but blastomere in morula is 16 and morula is cavity-less structures. Second, morulation. Once again, morulation. This is morulation. Formation of morula from 8 cell stage. Which process is called morulation? Formation of morula from 8 cell stage, which or it is called morulation. Second is blastulation. This is blastulation. Formation of blastula from morula, which process is called blastulation. Formation of blastula from morula, which process is called blastulation. Students, remember, blastula is a embryonic stage but become morula. Human and mammals blastula is blastocyst. Next, blastocyst is implant in uterus endometrium layer. Endometrium layer, it is innermost layer of uterus. Middle is myometrium, outer is perimetrium. Blastocyst is implant in uterus endometrium layer. After 7 to 8 days of fertilization, draw figure of blastulation is this is a solid ball like structures morula to have 16 blastomere or cleavage cell, forms a cavity structures is blastocyst, which process is known blastulation. This is trophoblast. This is ICM. This is blastocele. It is a cavity of blastula but located between ICM or trophoblast. So students, remembers, in this stage zygote to morula, embryo shape and size cannot increase, only blastomere number increase. Cleavage, end of cleavage in blastula phase. It means in gastrula phase only formation of embryonic germ layer, ectodrome, mesodrome and endodrome, but not completed in cleavage in gastrula phase. So next embryonic developing phase start next day. Thanks.